Welcome back to the YouTube channel, guys. Today, Rob is going to get some anti-sway into his Miata.
I'm Rob Campbell, and this is my wife's Miata.
So, we decided the sway bar that I pulled off my Miata is going to go into Rob's Miata. This is a sweet sponsorship deal. So he's got to put Jager Racing approximately 6 to 7 feet long and 3 feet tall all over the side of the car to get this one sway bar.
You realize it's a Miata. That's going to be like a parachute just blowing off the back of the car.
I mean,
like
this is going to make you go so fast that you're going to need a parachute to slow you down.
I got zip ties.
We only have one misshapen bushing. The other one, not so much. Nothing much.
Zip ties.
Zip ties. But it's on a really premium Miata. This Miata made 120 amazing horsepower. So, but yeah, we're just gonna do some installation of a sway bar real quick, and then this is after he already did track day today, and we're gonna go and get a whacker deal. We're gonna get impressions. We're gonna get a sweet impression of what it's like for you.
I'm gonna drive the car. You're gonna drive the car, and then we're gonna drive the car with you sitting in my lap, and see which setup works better with the front sway bar.
That makes more sense. I like this.
I like the part where you sit in my lap.
Yeah. So to give some background, we go to Rob. So what's the car actually have done to it?
So I bought this car for under $1,000. It was like a police impound that came out of West Hollywood. So we found like condoms from gay bars, like in the fenders and stuff like this. Really weird. The whole thing smelled like cat pee. There was no window. I had to tear the whole thing apart, and all the bushings were shot. So I bought one of those like eBay generic bushing kits to try to get some urethane in there and stiffen it up a bit, and then we put it on some coilovers that cost more than the car. So it's on Feal suspension, so it actually handles pretty well. But it does this weird thing where it wants to like oversteer and understeer at the same time in different parts of the turn. So we're hoping this will help with it a little bit.
Which I think it should.
Or the glass could fall.
I like all the zip ties holding up all your injector plates.
Oh, that took a while.
You ever understand when they design these things and they add like the little vents like to drain the radiator? Like we're flushing the radiator, but we can't be bothered to take the splash guard off. But then there's nothing for like draining the oil, the more common service.
Yeah, like I don't get it. Like what the fuck are they thinking? Your car has a healthy cast sealing.
No. Power steering fluid.
No way.
Sure it is.
That's all cast right there.
Well then, where's my power steering fluid going?
Well, I mean, from Chuck Waller, I also understand you have both, but that's a lot of cast.
Oops, diddly. There we go. Gratuitously moist.
Yeah, that's pretty wet.
Come on, baby.
Come on, it'll fit.
There.
It'll fit. Oh, it's tight. Oh yeah. That's gonna be tight. She's gonna need some lube.
Have you done your inner tie rods?
Oh hell no. That looked like a lot of work.
It's not. It's super easy.
That's like the one thing. Mine moves so much.
Yeah. It's super.
I was gonna do my inner tie rods, but well, anything else sounds better.
No, it's really easy.
No.
I bought the tool, but you can get the loaner tool.
Well, you bought the tool. Why don't I just come over to your house and you do it?
Do it. It's awesome. I love inner tie rods. You're gonna you're gonna remove everything.
Yeah. Look.
Careful. Radiator. Radiator. Oh, finger. Yeah, that's what I want you to do. How's that grease taste?
Like greasy shit sticks. God damn. Okay.
Should I ask you what you're doing? Easy. Hey. Do we do it forwards or backwards? How do we do it? I already have AC. This is like the softest Miata.
Ew.
Softest Miata ever. There goes your band.
God damn it, the 10! Always the 10.
I'm trying to get this locked up. Nope, that's just, that lives there now apparently. Baby shark. Oh yeah, this is Adele a big lady?
Yes.
You gotta respect her. I'm just saying.
All right, so we got the new sway bar in. We're ready for the track tomorrow. Rob, you excited?
I'm excited to tune it tomorrow.
Oh. You mean tune your sway bar?
No, I'm not tuning the sway bar. I'm gonna tune the car.
Oh.
Yeah. I got a plus key
No.
and a minus key.
All you care about is the handling performance.
Yeah. Handling
of
is
the
everything?
beast. Yeah.
Shut up.
That's why you have a Miata in the first place, right?
Shut up. Let's just put a turbo on it already.
Yeah, I think that's gonna have to happen. Like yesterday. All right, guys. Catch you later.
He was like under.